Hey, welcome back to All Things Jazzy. In this video, I am going to be showing you how I made these delicious s'mores brownies using a box brownie mix. Let's hop into it. Okay, so for starters, I have my pan here, and I have a pack of graham crackers. I'm going to be using a pack out of these Honey Maids. I'm actually almost going to use the whole box. So first, I am going to spray the bottom of my baking pan with some non-stick cookie spray. This is a butter flavor, and then I am just going to lay the graham crackers down. And as I lay them down, I am breaking them in half so that they are the size of a normal slice of brownies. Okay, so using this dark chocolate box of brownie mix, you could definitely make them from scratch or use whatever brownie mix you want. It's just quicker this way. We're going to follow the instructions from the back of the box, which is going to require this whole package of mix. And then it's going to require a couple of eggs, only 2, and some oil and a little bit of water. So again, just follow the directions on the back of your box of brownie mix. I'm just going to go ahead and mix this all together. Okay, so now that these are all mixed together, we're just going to go ahead and pour the entire mixture on top of these graham crackers. Get it all out, okay? I am going to scrape to make sure I get all of this brownie mix out because we want these to be filling and bomb, okay? They are going to be bomb.com, especially if you like marshmallows or if you like s'mores. This is just another way to eat s'mores indoors, either under the fireplace or for a movie night. We actually had them for game night while we played Monopoly and some other appetizers as well, but these s'mores was on hit banging. And you can definitely do this with a box cake mix as well, but s'mores brownies are just so much better. That's one thing about brownie mix, y'all. It does not spread like cake mix. So you have to move it around because it's not going to hit all corners unless you use a smaller pan. But we wanted a full pan because there's a lot of us. Okay, so now I am going to go ahead and add some marshmallows. I am choosing to use the mini marshmallows. You can use the regular size marshmallows. You can use jumbo marshmallows if you like. We just want to go ahead and cover this brownie mix up. And we're gonna bake these, okay? Because we want them to be crispy, like if you would put them over the fire. If you were making the s'mores outdoors, or if you had one of those indoor table s'mores makers. But so we want to cover the chocolate, and then I'm also gonna add some chocolate morsels, just some more added chocolate. The brownies are a dark chocolate flavor, so we're gonna add some milk chocolate morsels to the top and just sprinkle those around.
Talk so sweet like candy, sweet as sugar candy. So smooth my palms get clammy. Just grab me by the hand now. No plans, no pins, no anger. You're more than I can handle. I'll find your favorite angle.
Okay, so now that these are ready to go into the oven, I did preheat my oven at 350 degrees. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and bake these at the time. I did have to use like a plus 5 minutes. The box said to bake them for 33 minutes. I baked them for almost 40, okay? Okay, so now that these are out the oven, you guys, we want the crunch. Trust me, you want the crunch. So you're gonna let them get brown and crispy on top, and then you're gonna just add some more marshmallows, right? So adding some more marshmallows to the top, and then we're gonna add some crushed graham crackers. So I'm just gonna break a few pieces of these graham crackers up and put them on top, and then we're gonna add some melted chocolate. Okay, some melted chocolate. These kind of remind me, although these are like s'mores brownies, they do remind me of, if you ever guys ever heard of the S'mores brownies, that's what they remind me of, you know, because they're like really junky and just the bomb, okay? Because these are going to be so good. So I melted this chocolate in the microwave. I have a video up on my channel already to show you how to melt chocolate, which I also linked below in the description box. So I am just I melted some of the chocolate morsels that I had in the microwave, and I'm just going to drizzle that on top, and then we will allow the chocolate to dry. I will not put this in the fridge to dry or anywhere else because I still want my brownies to be warm, okay? And lately, while I've been editing my videos, oh my gosh, my daughter, y'all see her? She has been hopping in and out, putting her fingers and rolling them through the camera while I'm filming. I don't know what's going on. I don't know if she wants a partnership or what. She has her own YouTube channel, but hey, I am always down for a partnership. So as you guys can see, these look so good, so good. And here we are. We got big pieces. I told y'all. We wanted them all. We all got big pieces. Alright, so that's the end of my video. Thanks for watching and see you next time.